Hey, what's up everyone? Dave here with another exciting tutorial series. And this time I'm going to be showing how to model an anime character. Okay, so if we look here, this is Joas Souza's character right here. Okay, this image plane. And what I'm going to show over the next several lessons is how to model a character like this from scratch. Okay, using image planes and essentially three-dimensionally tracing them, adding accessories and clothing, and really getting you off to a great start. So whether you're new to modeling or you've been modeling for a while and just kind of want to see a different approach, stay tuned. I'm going to show all the modeling tips and tricks inside of Maya from start to finish here. So buckle up. If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure to subscribe because I'll be releasing a video every couple days to continue the process of how this character is done. So it's going to be about 15 videos in total. And it's also going to be the videos are going to be probably about 10 minutes in length. Okay, maybe a max of 15. And so again, I'm showing every step. I'm not skipping over the tough stuff. I'm showing you everything. I'm showing you my thought process. So if you have any comments or questions, please leave it in the notes below. I'm super excited about this series. And all right, let's get started.